Hey everyone, so today I am just printing out my orders. I got like 5 orders that just came through, so I'm going to be printing those out and then I'll show you the designs that they ordered. I'm also waiting for grinders and some more ashtrays so you can personalize your own ashtrays now. I'm also waiting for my bling ashtrays as well. Those are pre-order on my Etsy store, so go check those out. And what else? Oh yeah, I also have some loungewear that's coming out shortly, so make sure you stay tuned for that. But let me show you the orders. Alright, so I got 3 orders for Winnie the Pooh. Well, Winnie the Pothead. So this one is almost complete. This order is for a Las Vegas Raiders tray, and then I gotta finish fix that, of course, and then put the wheat leaves around it. This is another Winnie the Pooh. This is not spray painted yet, as you can see. The jar and everything is not done. And then this one is another Winnie the Pooh set, not done. And this one underneath is for my bling ashtrays that's pre-order. Will be coming in shortly.